starts with the philosophical approach. Philosophical approach roots lies in classical Greece. ठीक है, Plato, Aristotle. So exponents are Plato. Modern exponent is Rawls. So modern हमेशा देखेंगे those thinkers who lies as somehow in the 20th or 21st century, but those thinkers have been dwelling more on a classical approach like philosophical approach. So that would include Rawls, Kant, Immanuel Kant, T.H. Green. So these thinkers now become important. What was the main focus of philosophical approach? Main focus was to look into the philosophy. So they had a normative orientation. They were looking into norms, they were looking into values. Philosophical approach aims at evolving standards of rights and wrong. For them, they definitely were looking into an idea that what is right, what is wrong, how the state should be, how individuals should exist. So the truth sought may be normative, it was descriptive, it was prescriptive. These are the three most important ideas within any kind of approach which is drifted by normativism. It will become descriptive, it will become prescriptive, okay? And it will become deductive. So deductive is also one idea. Okay. So political philosophy mainly dwelled on the logic and grounds and limits of political obligation. Most important ideas which the philosophical approach was dwelling was in the idea of political obligation. Okay? So they were discussing what should be the political obligation, what should be the ideas of rights and comparison to state. So definitely these philosophers did not have given a very great idea regarding individual right. For them state was more important. Okay? And of course this is the reason revolution and individual right came out as a byproduct of this debate. Debate regarding political obligation, which Plato, Aristotle, Socrates, they were taking it at a height. It led to another kind of debate to come up, especially that what should be the individual right or the status of individual right vis-a-vis state, or what should be an idea of revolution. This is the reason all these ideas were later on carried forward by classical liberal thinkers like Locke, who had dwelled about natural right, who had talked about revolution as well.